Hi guys, I'm Jordan Landis-Brenman, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use collar stays. Today you can get collar stays in lots of different types of styles and from tons of different companies that offer a modern option on a traditional collar stay. There's nothing worse than an unsightly, droopy collar. Please, please, guys, do yourself a favor and remove the plastic collar stay that comes with each shirt and replace them with a collar stay made of stainless steel. This will not only keep your look crisp and polished, but it will also prevent your collar stay from rusting if you forget to take them out before putting them in the wash. And that is how you use collar stays. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm Jordan Landis-Brenman, and we'll see you next time. Bye.